Good morning. Today, basically at NCB front, who's basically probing the drug case in Mumbai and also a drug case related to the Sushant Singh death. So today, what is going to happen? Today, NCB had summoned Rakul Preet Singh. Rakul Preet Singh is basically actress. She's a Bollywood actress, and she has been summoned. Simon Khambata, who's a fashion designer, she has been summoned, and Shruti Modi. This name is not new for everyone because from past 1.5 months or 2 months we are hearing this name related to Sushant Singh and Rhea Chakravarti. So all three of them have been summoned by NCB in connection with the drug case. So why these people, or why this Bollywood celebrity as well as people related to the Bollywood have been summoned? Because if you remember, NCB, who is probing this entire case, basically got a clue from ED, because ED was looking into the money angle and money laundering angle in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, where ED basically found that there are some chats of Rhea Chakravarti and Shobhit Chakravarti, Rhea's brother, where they are talking about purchasing of banned substances or procuring them or somewhere consumption of them, and that's why they handed over these chats to a Narcotics Control Bureau and asked them to look into that. After going through all the details in this case, especially the chats, they got some kind of links. After that, we saw that how these people basically came to Mumbai. First, they nabbed all the local drug peddlers. From there, they got the information, more information about the big, we can say, big fishes in the drug cartel. And after nabbing them, after arresting these people like Anuj Keshwani or Zaid or Basit, all they got these Bollywood links. So yes, this was the first day where we can say a Bollywood celebrity like Rakul Preet Singh, who has given recently good hit films, she has been named, and she has been summoned by NCB. So what NCB will be asking them? What would be the line of questioning? So the line of questioning would be very simple as on day one. First, they will ask them few questions related to drugs, that the chats have been found, what exactly were those chats, because we have been given to understand it's not only about the chats this time. Actress Rhea Chakravarti, that's the information which we have got it from the NCB sources, that actor Rhea Chakravarti also have mentioned in her statement the names of Rakul Preet and a few others. So on the basis of the statement of actress Rhea Chakravarti and the drug peddlers who have named these Bollywood celebrities, and so the questions would be the questions which NCB will be asking them is about that when did they purchase or consume the drugs, from whom they purchased, whose money was basically involved in this, and why did they purchase it, and what exactly they did. So these kind of questions they will ask. But as I said that NCB or any central agency, they only summon people whenever they have got the concrete links, concrete evidences, concrete proofs, all the concrete information against the person. So the style of all these central agencies while questioning is that they have a set of questions which they ask continuously in a given format. And if you skip any of the question, they again ask you the same question, and they'll try to find out the discrepancies between the event which had happened and the answers. Also, repeatedly they ask the same question with different angle, with different formation, and try to find out the discrepancy. So once they get the discrepancies, then taking lead from them, taking cue from those discrepancies, they usually question the person again. So now today we have been given to understand that the summons was already given to Rakul Preet Singh, Simon Khambata and Shruti Modi today post 11:30. Three of them are expected to come here at the NCB guest house. You can see that this is the NCB guest house, and in that guest house, on the second floor, the SIT team from Delhi, which had come and which was probing the drug cartel as well as the drug angle in the Bollywood. So the SIT team sits there, and KPS Malhotra, who's a deputy director in NCB Delhi, he will be basically leading this. He's leading this team, and he will be questioning all these Bollywood stars. From Mumbai, Mayuresh Ganpate for Mirror Now.